Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Roblox Unlocker. This powerful tool significantly enhances your gaming experience by removing the default frame rate cap, letting you enjoy smoother visuals and more responsive gameplay. We will cover the entire process, from securely downloading the necessary files to configuring and running the application. Getting the right version from a reliable source is your critical first step for a safe and effective setup. Once you have downloaded the zipped folder, the next step involves carefully extracting its contents. Locate the RBXF Unlocker exe file within the extracted folder. Then, navigate to your Roblox installation directory, specifically the versions folder. You will place the extracted executable directly into the current Roblox versions subfolder, ensuring the system can properly detect and utilize the unlocker for optimal performance. This placement is key. With the file correctly placed, simply run the RBXF Unlocker exe to open its settings menu. Here, you can personalize your experience. Adjust the target frame rate to your preference. Many users choose 120, 144, or even 240 frames per second for ultra-smooth gaming. Explore other options like VSync if screen tearing is an issue, and then save your chosen configuration. Now that the unlocker is configured and running, launch Roblox from your desktop shortcut or through your web browser, just as you usually do. The unlocker operates in the background, automatically applying your chosen frame rate settings without further input. Inside any game, you can usually press Shift plus F5 to display the in-game performance statistics, clearly showing your newly unlocked, higher frame rates in action. Enjoy the difference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.